Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan S SE model, two-tone paint scheme, quick release cafe fairing. This twin-cylinder 650 liquid-cooled, fuel-injected cruiser just arrived with only 8,300 miles. Really cool paint scheme, great looking machine, super low seat height. Come on by and make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true for just $74.99. Oh no, this one's $67.99. Beautiful condition. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.